In this video, we will discuss the difference between lag indicators and lead indicators. Before discussing KRIs, let us understand words from a wise man. Look back and get the experience. Look forward and see the hope. Look around and find the reality. Look within and find yourself. Now, coming back to our CRISC lecture, when he said look back and get experience, what he meant was a lag indicator or backward looking indicator. When he said look forward and see hope, what he meant was lead indicator or forward looking indicator. With respect to remaining two, I have absolutely no idea what he meant. So let us discuss more about lag and lead indicators. You have undertaken a journey which requires you to cover 100 miles. After completion of 50 miles, you take a break and evaluate what was your speed, how much time you took. This indicates lag indicator or backward looking indicator. You are evaluating something which cannot be undone. But you still need to cover more 50 miles. And there is risk of not reaching your target on time. To evaluate this risk, you ponder upon certain indicators. How's the traffic ahead? How's the road condition? How's the weather? And your experience from the lag indicator. These are lead indicator or forward looking indicator. In lead indication, what you are evaluating is something which is not yet completed and you can take some action to address the same. So again, to understand the difference between lag and lead, lag indicator event already happened, whereas in lead indicator event is yet to happen. Let us discuss some key aspects from CRISC exam perspective. What is the objective of lagging KRI, that is backward looking KRI? Objective is to gather the data for management reporting and to learn from the experience. What is the objective of lead KRI, that is forward looking KRI? To predict an approaching risk event and to proactively monitor the current state of your risk profile. Which indicator is available only after the facts or events? After the facts or events, that is lag indicator. Which indicator will provide an indication of possible outcome of the event? Possible outcome, that means event is not yet completed. Lead indicator. Let us discuss some practice questions. What is the objective of implementing a lagging, that is backward looking, key risk indicator? To gather the data, to report to the management, to evaluate the past performance and learning from the experience. Others are the objective of lead indicators. Thanks for watching.